Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use rainbow effect on CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Adding a rainbow effect to your video in CapCut can create a vibrant and eye-catching visual. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use rainbow effect in CapCut. Launch the CapCut app on your device, then tap on New Project button. Choose the video you want to edit from your gallery, then tap Add to import it to your project. Tap on Effects, then tap on Video Effects. Use the search bar and type in Rainbow, then hit on the search button. Look for effects named Rainbow or something similar that creates a colorful overlay. Now, tap on Cancel. Tap on the check mark to apply the effect to your video. The effect will be added as a layer over your video clip and the timeline. Adjust the duration of the rainbow effect by dragging the edges of the effect layer and the timeline to match the desired length of your video. Tap the play button to preview the video with the rainbow effect applied. Once you are satisfied with the effect, tap on the export button at the top right corner. By following these steps, you can effectively add the rainbow effect to your video in CapCut, creating a vibrant and colorful look that enhances your video's visual appeal. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.